Today I am reviewing the NARWAL Freo Pro robot vacuum and mop combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Keeping your floors clean can be a constant challenge, especially if you have pets or long-haired family members. That's where the NARWAL Freo Pro robot vacuum and mop combo comes in. This innovative device is not just a vacuum or mop. It's a full-featured cleaning system designed to handle every type of mess, all while saving you time and effort. One of the standout features of the NARWAL Freo Pro is its tangle-free dual-flow system. This technology ensures that hair, whether from pets or humans, never gets wrapped around the rollers. This means zero interruptions during cleaning and minimal maintenance. If you've struggled with tangle brushes and other robot vacuums, the Freo Pro is a game-changer. You can run it for weeks without worrying about clogs or hair buildup. When it comes to suction, the Freo Pro doesn't disappoint. With 8,500 pascals of powerful suction, it lifts dirt, dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard floors alike. Even those hard-to-reach crevices and edges are cleaned efficiently, making it a deep cleaning powerhouse. Paired with AI dirt sense, the robot intelligently identifies areas that need extra attention, so every cleaning session is thorough. The dual scrubbing mop heads take floor cleaning to the next level. These triangular mops apply 2.65 pounds of downward pressure and spin at 180 revolutions per minute, scrubbing away stubborn stains and spills. Thanks to edge swing technology, the mops reach right up to walls and corners, leaving no streaks and ensuring that even tight spaces are spotless. With the combination of vacuuming and mopping in one pass, your floors are not just clean, they're pristine. Maintenance is also effortless with the Freo Pro. Its 7-week maintenance-free dust disposal system compresses debris into a disposable bag, reducing mess and noise. The all-in-one cleaning station not only empties the dust, but also washes and dries the mops automatically. This hands-free operation saves you countless hours and keeps your cleaning routine completely stress-free. The Freo Pro is also built for precision. Using 3D structure light and LiDAR 4.0 navigation, it avoids obstacles and maps your home with incredible accuracy. It can detect objects as small as 1 centimeter, moving around furniture and delicate items without bumping into anything. The detailed mapping also ensures that cleaning is efficient and uninterrupted, even at night. Despite its powerful features, the Freo Pro is surprisingly quiet, operating at 55 decibels during mopping and just 34 decibels at the base station. It won't disturb your family or pets. You can schedule it for cleaning while you sleep, work, or relax, knowing that it will clean thoroughly without being intrusive. In summary, the NARWAL Freo Pro robot vacuum and mop combo is a premium, all-in-one cleaning solution. With tangle-free hair management, ultra-powerful suction, dual scrubbing mops, intelligent navigation, and a hands-free all-in-one station, it is perfect for homes with pets, kids, or anyone who values clean, spotless floors. Say goodbye to daily sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. Freo Pro handles it all efficiently, quietly, and smartly. For anyone seeking the best robot vacuum and mop combo, the Freo Pro offers unparalleled convenience, performance, and reliability, making it one of the top choices for modern, busy households.